Title: The Battle Between Viruses and Cells, a Microscopic Review. Introduction: Viruses and cells are constantly engaged in an evolutionary battle, shaping life on Earth. Understanding how viruses invade cells and how cells defend themselves is crucial in fields like medicine, virology, and immunology. This lecture explores the intricate interactions between viruses and cells, highlighting the key mechanisms involved. 1. What are viruses? Viruses are microscopic infectious agents that require a host cell to reproduce. They consist of genetic material, DNA or RNA, encased in a protein coat, capsid, and some viruses have an outer lipid envelope. Unlike cells, viruses do not carry out metabolic activities or reproduce independently. 2. What are cells? Cells are the basic units of life, carrying out essential functions like metabolism, growth, and reproduction. They contain organelles such as the nucleus in eukaryotic cells, mitochondria, and ribosomes, enabling them to function independently. The cell membrane serves as a protective barrier, controlling what enters and exits the cell. 3. How viruses infect cells. Attachment. Viruses recognize and bind to specific receptors on the cell membrane. Entry. The virus enters the cell via endocytosis or membrane fusion. Replication. Once inside, the viral genome hijacks the host cell's machinery to replicate and produce viral proteins. Assembly. New virus particles are assembled inside the host cell. Release. The newly formed viruses exit the cell through lysis, bursting the cell, or budding, ready to infect other cells. 4. How cells defend against viruses. Physical barriers. Skin and mucous membranes prevent viral entry. Innate immune response. White blood cells like macrophages and natural killer cells recognize and destroy infected cells. Adaptive immune response. Antibodies and T cells specifically target and neutralize viruses. Cellular defense mechanisms. Cells can undergo apoptosis, programmed cell death, to prevent viral replication. 5. The role of vaccines and antiviral drugs. Vaccines train the immune system to recognize and fight viruses before infection occurs. Antiviral drugs inhibit viral replication by targeting specific stages of the viral life cycle. Understanding virus-cell interactions helps in developing new treatments for viral diseases. Conclusion: the ongoing battle between viruses and cells drives evolutionary changes in both. By studying these interactions, scientists can develop better strategies to prevent and treat viral infections, ultimately protecting human health.